everybody, good morning, how are you all doing? Today is another vlog to answer one of your questions about the hair system. So today's question is, will the hair system breathe on my head? Of course it will! This is the amazing things about Her for All hair system, that they provide you with top quality lace hair system that would breathe, you wouldn't feel it, very light. When you have a shower, you feel the water goes to your head. When it's breathing that, it feels like the air goes into your head, because the hair system itself, the lace of the hair system, made of lace, as you can see. I'm gonna show you here. So there's like lace, really light lace, you won't feel it at all. It's very breathable, and I'm talking about it at the moment, and I can't feel that I'm wearing a hair system. So this is today's question about the hair system. If you have any more questions, just visit herforall.com, guys. It's the time to look better, to feel good. Have a good day, and see you soon. Ta-da!